Hey there, it's Phil from WTI, and this is my DSLR camera. This is the Canon Rebel SL3. I think in some countries it's referred to as the EOS 250D. It's my first DSLR, but I've had it for a few months now and I'm having so much fun with it. The settings are super intuitive and easy to operate, and it has lots of neat little features, like the back screen here flips out, but it also twists, so pretty much from any angle you can see your viewfinder. It comes with a starter lens, which is really good for mid-range shooting, so it's great to get you started. And it has all the standard modes like manual, automatic, etc. It has a flash here, and it also has a mount for a variety of different accessories. We use this for a microphone, but I know you can use it for a flash and lots of other different things as well. On the lens here, there's this little switch that allows you to toggle between automatic and manual focus. The autofocus being what really stands out here, because Canon is known for being able to detect faces like super well. It also has an app called the Camera Connect. This allows you to transfer phones directly from your camera to your phone, which is amazing. But it also allows you to use your phone as a remote control for the shutter, so you can be far away from your camera and be clicking away as much as you want. We primarily use this for video, but we also use it as our webcam. And we've been experimenting a lot with landscape photography, which we've been really enjoying because it's so easy to learn on this Canon camera, but that's just my point of view.